Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change your password in Kraken. Keeping your Kraken account secure is important, and changing your password regularly is a great way to protect your funds. First of all, launch open the Kraken app on your device and log into your account. After you are logged in from the home page, tap on your profile icon or the name initial at the top left corner. From the account menu that pops up on the screen, go ahead and tap on Security. Soon after you open up Security, tap on Password. On the next page, you can go ahead and enter your current password in the first field. Make sure you type it down correct. Now after typing down your current password in the first field, move on to the next field and then type in a new password you want to change to. While typing down your password, make sure that your new password should contain the following requirements. Your password must be 12 characters long. It should include a number, letter, and a special character. After creating a new password, re-enter the new password once again in the last field. Once the password matches, click on Change Password at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to change your password on Kraken. That way you can easily and successfully change your Kraken password. Always keep your login details safe and make sure you remember the password next time you log into your Kraken account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.